Welcome back to Good Life. A healthy relationship is one where couples praise each other for big as well as small things. Earlier, Mini Menon caught up with psychotherapist Swati Desai Chaudhary, who suggests some appreciative communication tips between couples.
When there is no communication, no open communication, for example, the husband doesn't like something the wife is doing. It could be related to the extended family situation. So he holds some anger, but he's not able to express it to the wife. How is that anger going to be expressed? He may talk about her in public place or somewhere else in front of friends. He may put her down by saying she talks too much, or she gives me headache, or she's always on the phone, in a critical way. Sometimes it is disguised under humor, but there is a put down underneath it. And it's a very disrespectful way of actually expressing your displeasure. So the real anger could be about something else, but it comes out as a criticism about another kind of petty thing even, or maybe even not so petty thing. But the point is that instead of communicating directly, you are basically putting the person down.
So I think very often this is done in jest. Each couple has common jokes that they share between themselves, quirky habits. When does it stop being funny and take serious connotations?
Yeah, it's true that sometimes both the husband and wife find humor in it, and then it is obviously okay if something is working, don't touch it. But a lot of times you will see that it generates resentment and anger in one spouse's mind. And that's when that person, the spouse who is expressing that sort of a feeling, maybe they should communicate it to the other, that you said it in humor, but it really hurt my feelings. Because humor, there is always some truth in it. As long as both of them are enjoying it, of course, you don't need to change it.
Let's take a clip from a movie, a very popular movie these days, of course, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. And there's a classic case of what Swati is talking about, of how a husband, perhaps in jest, is putting down the wife constantly. And let's have a look at the clip.
नहीं, she is trying to fool you.
सुनिए ना,
No.
सुनिए, वो भारत से आया है।
भारत से आए तो सब मैं बिठा लूं क्या? मालूम है भारत की आबादी कितनी है? सब लोग यहाँ आ गए तो हम लोग कहाँ सोएंगे? नहीं, मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, मैं हीथ्रो एयरपोर्ट चला जाता हूँ, वहाँ पर जाकर खड़ा रहता हूँ और जो भी भारत से है उससे कहता हूँ भैया आ जाओ, हमारे घर में आ जाओ, हमारी भी पागल है। She is absolutely mental.
You're being rude.
Yes.
I don't care. वो आज आ रहा है, अभी आ रहा है, इसी वक्त आ रहा है।
पूजा।
That was, of course, from the movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Swati, now that's a classic case of where the Kajol character doesn't really mind the fact that Shah Rukh Khan's character
We don't know,
we don't know because the movie ends, doesn't
I
cover the
felt
entire
very
wedding.
uncomfortable when I was, and I know a couple of other friends who felt like they wouldn't want to be in her situation. But you're right, if they are both finding humor, then it's different. But typically that's a good example of, on a regular basis, how the husband is giving put downs to the wife. But there is another thing that happens in these kinds of situations, which is that instead of encouraging or instead of praising the things about your spouse that you like, the only way to express anything becomes this kind of humor or criticism, direct criticism. So the second thing that I want to say in this regard is also learn to encourage your spouse. When the spouse does something, like for example, the husband is doing well at work. Now the wife can either only focus on how little time he spends at home or how he is selfish, or she can also actually praise the fact that he is doing well at work. When you hear criticism, a lot of times it is just the frustration as well of your needs are not being met, and the frustration is coming out in all these other ways because you're not really communicating what your needs are. You're not communicating directly what is not being met. Instead, you are taking it out in other ways. So, but just one, it's very important to remember, criticizing means that you are actually making the other person go away from you. But if you want the person to turn towards you and do things for you, of course, if you say good things, if you do some good praising, that's the time you're going to get that behavior.
To sum up, can you say that you should treat your spouse the way you would like the spouse to treat you, even if it is in terms of how much jokes you can take and how much you can actually laugh at a spouse?
Yeah, I could say that, but the only problem with that is sometimes, people, as a matter of people tend to treat their spouses the way they would treat themselves without realizing that the same things may be hurtful to them. So that is another important thing to remember. So just as a general rule, to remember that you need to praise and say good things about your spouse from time to time, and not just criticism. And get your things met by more direct communication rather than using these indirect critical ways.
So it's nice to tell your partner how special they are, even for the smallest things. Another common trap is when one partner tries to change the other. Next week, Swati Desai Chaudhary will discuss that in relationship management.